In this video, I will show you the complete ALIPAY account setup. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to completely set up your ALIPAY account for foreign user. Let me show you how. The very first thing, for everyone using Android phone, just make sure you go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store on your Android phone. For everyone using iPhone, just go to your App Store on your iPhone. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on search apps and game and type in ALIPAY. Just like so. And make sure you hit on search.
And it will take you straight to Google Play Store. Then when it opens up this way, click on install. Install. So alright, so after you are able to install the ALIPAY, the next thing you have to do is to click on open right here. You click on open. Then when you click on open, this is going to pump up. So the next step you have to take, just click on this blue right here. Just click on here to continue the installation. So ALIPAY is going to ask you to make call and manage your phone call. Just click on allow. So with that, at this point here, this is where you need to enter your phone number right here. Here you change your country code, okay? So here you have to select your country code from this point. So I'm going to do that one first. So from this point here, this is where you need to select your country. When you select your country, the code will be automatically update. So I'm looking for my country. So every country actually represents right here. Just look for your country. So here we go. This is my country right here, and this is the country code. Once you select your country, it's going to update. So I'm going to select my country. You can see it right here that the code has changed. Now, when you select your country code, you have to enter the mobile number at this point here. So when you select your country code, you need to know how you set up your normal number. So you have to enter your phone number. Okay, so when you having entered your mobile number in a proper way, you have to click on next. Alright, so ALIPAY is going to send a 4 verification code to the particular phone number you enter to complete your registration. So let's take a look at the code. So here is the code 1156. So I'm going to enter it straight up. 1156. Then at this point here, you need to click on agree. Sorry for the interruption. Click on agree. So you just have to wait for the setup to complete. Alright, so if you have something like this, all you have to do is to click on enter international version of ALIPAY, because that is what you need as a foreign user. So just click on enter international version of ALIPAY. Click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to prepare logging into the international version of ALIPAY. So let's see. So after you are able to access the ALIPAY, you can decide to choose allow ALIPAY to know your location, just click on next, or you close the tab. So in this case, I'm going to click on next. So if you want ALIPAY to access your location, you can click on next, and you'll be able to have full access to ALIPAY. So allow ALIPAY to access this location, click on allow. So there is nothing special as far as ALIPAY access your location as far as this is concerned. So this is how you download, install, and set up your ALIPAY account without any stress.
Alright, so when your ALIPAY account open up, the next thing you have to do is to click on me right down below there. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to click on here. So having done that, you can see where you have rename verification. So click on that. So I'm going to click on it right now. Alright, so the next thing you have to do here is to click on verify now. You can see it here, verify now. Click on that. Verify now. Now, at this point, this is where you have to enter your passport detail. So there are two options by which you can do that. The first option here is automatically scan, while the second option is filling in the detail. So I will recommend that you fill it in detail. So the first column here is where you enter your full name on the passport, all in capital letter, just like you have it. Then passport number, all in capital letter. Then here, date of birth, all in capital letter. You select it. Everything you have to just click on there and select it. Expire date, click on there and select it. So if you have to select your date of birth, just click here. If you have to select it, when you click on here, and you will be able to, when you click on here, you'll be able to set up your date of birth. So I'm going to set up my date of birth now. So then you put date. So you can see the way I'm trying to set it up. Sorry. Okay, then once you are done with your birth certificate setting up, click on here to confirm. So I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see that date of birth has been set up. Now this is how you set up your. So in some cases, if your country is not indicated, just like what you see here, this is my country, Nigerian passport information. So in case if your country is not indicated, all you have to do is to tap on here where you see region. So when you tap on the region, you'll be able to select your country. Then when you select your country, and you need to come here, enter your passport full name in capital letter, passport number in capital letter, date of birth as set up, and expire date. Then finally you click on submit. So I'm going to fill it up right now. So after clicking on submit, it's going to take you to this page here. You can see three different options here. So the first option here states that passport chip and face verification. So this simply means that you do the facial verification and then you upload your passport data page, and also verify your identity, scan passport to verify. So the third option here is this, which is Chinese mainland bank account. But if you are not a Chinese person, you are not to use this option to verify your ALIPAY. So the best option for you to verify your ALIPAY is this option right here. Okay, so I'm going to choose this particular option here now. So I'm going to click on here. All right, so you can see the option here. There are two options here. The first option is either you upload your passport picture right here. It's either you upload or you take the photo live. Okay. Now, in this regard, I'm going to take the live of this part of the passport. So you can see the name of the passport will be automatically activate, just like what you see at the top here. So the next thing you need to do here is to take a photo of the passport page. You can see the area you need to capture. They have identified the area you will need to capture. Just set your camera and do the capture, or you can just upload from your phone album. Okay, so after you have successfully uploaded your passport, the next thing you have to do is to do a selfie, just like what you see on the screen right here. So all you have to do is to click on verify. Then you position your camera. So please wait. Okay. The next thing is that you need to click on here to fill the incomplete stuff. Then click on it. So for you to make the information complete, all you have to do is to tap on here to choose your gender, and then fill in your occupation type, and then fill in your address. Once you are done, that's the end. So I'm going to click on here now to choose my gender. So male. Okay, so the next thing I need to do here is to fill in the occupation right here. Occupation here. So I have to select. So if you don't have any, if there is nothing, if all this information presented here is not related to your occupation, you can just choose other, or whichever way. You can just pick on anyone related to your business. So I'm going to pick on this one here. So occupation will be fill, and you will see the results in a fully verified. So this is how you just have to work your way around to verify your ALIPAY in a full verification. I hope, guys, you can see the account has been fully verified. You can see. So this is how you know if your account has been fully verified. You can see it here, done. So this is how you enjoy full verification of ALIPAY. This is just the normal procedure you have to follow. Just exercise patience and follow the step I'm taking in this video. You're gonna get it. So thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.